If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com.
In this chapter, we will learn how to create basic customized reports that are needed in order to manage trust accounts. This lesson examines creating the Trust Account Liability Proof Report, which is used to ensure the balance in the trust account is never overdrawn when paying the invoices from the law firm. Note that there are severe penalties in place for overdrawing a client's trust account. To create this report, you will need to create a custom summary report. You can do this by selecting Reports, Custom Reports, Summary from the menu bar. In the Modify Report window that appears, select the Display tab. Then use the Display Rows By drop-down within the Columns section to select Account List. Next, click the Filters tab within the Modify Report window. Select the Account filter at the left side of the tab. Then choose Multiple Accounts from the drop-down that appears at the right side of the tab. This will then display the Select Account window where you can choose the Client Trust Checking, the Client Trust AP, the Client Trust Liabilities, and, if used, the Client Costs Credit Card Accounts. Then click the OK button to add these accounts to your report. Next, use the Date filter to select all. You can then click to the Header/Footer tab and type Trust Liability Proof into the Report Title field. For the Subtitle field, you can type Total must always be 0. This will remind the user that when viewing this report, the total shown on screen should always be 0 once all of the trust account's transactions have been entered. This is also the proof report that you can use as a double check after using all of a trust account's funds to pay invoices from the law firm. Once you have finished making your report customizations, click the OK button to preview the report. You can then save this as a custom report within the company file by simply memorizing the report.
Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.